When your GPA falls below 2.0 or your completion rate falls below 67%, a satisfactory academic progress appeal is required in order to keep your federal and state financial aid. To view your SAP status, cumulative GPA, and completion rate, you can click on the Satisfactory Academic Progress link in the Financial Aid section of Ocelot Access. Your cumulative GPA and completion percentage are required information for filling out your SAP appeal. Another important component of the SAP appeal is the academic evaluation. The Financial Aid Office needs a specific printout of this information to be included in your SAP appeal. You can print the academic evaluation by first going to the Academic Advising section of Ocelot Access and then clicking Check Progress towards my degree. Once there, you want to make sure that you are viewing your current academic program. You will then click Expand All next to where it says Requirements. This shows you all the required courses for your program, what courses you have taken, and what you still need to take. Then, in order to get the correct view, you must click the Print button on the right-hand side of the screen. You can then either print the evaluation or save it as a PDF. You will not get the correct view if you use Ctrl+P or print the page in any other way. If you are using a phone or tablet and cannot see the print button, you may need to switch to a computer. There are computers available for student use in the Financial Aid Office. For additional information, please contact our office